Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. I want to start off by saying we had a really great giveaway in February. There were 3 prizes. The first one was a Shen Drones tweaker frame. Second place was a video transmitter. And third place was a set of replacement motors for the Tiny Whoop frames. So congratulations to the winners and good luck next time for everyone else who entered. There were hundreds of entries, so it was great. I'll put a link to last month's giveaway down in the description and the winners will be listed there and you can check it out. Now for this month's. We've got one prize for you. It's a good one though. It is going to be the TBS X-Racer. It's a micro FPV quad. It's got the TBS Unify Pro video transmitter in it. It's also got a very nice camera on it. It comes with 2 replacement motors, 8 replacement props, 2 600 milliamp hour 1-cell batteries, and an adapter. So this is the FrSky version, so you will need your own FrSky transmitter in order for this to work for you. But other than that, and your own charger, this is it. This comes with everything you will need. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel and click the Gleam link down below in the description. That's going to take you to the official entry. From there, you'll have the ability to get extra entries by sharing on social media, forwarding to your friends, liking the Facebook page, things like that. So good luck to everybody. Now, I'll show you what comes in it. Tell me what you guys think about the channel. Leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload additional videos, and I'll see you guys next time.